guys, nandito po kami ngayon ni James Arven sa Soka. Yes, nagpupunta yan sa Liverpool. Pupunta na po namin ngayon. Yeah! Invited po tayo as a media and vlogger dito sa Soka 2024 or State of the City Address. So ito yung menu nila ng pagkain for today's video. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tandaya Hall. Super ganda po dito.
Is a huge thing, and also we would like to acknowledge all our awardees for tonight. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Our City Mayor, May Texan and Uy. Let us all stand and give a big round of applause once again to our Mayor, Texan and Uy.
And we are once again here at this very moment. Kung nakikita niyo, Oscars na gihapon na itong tema, yan ang natuloy. Ang karuyan sigon ng Oscars, ang mga outstanding stakeholders of Catalogan, advocates of resiliency and sustainability. Ang itong napag-desisyonan, ngayon palayo ang tema, ang naglabay na tuloy. Because we see this as the perfect way of giving recognition to everyone who helped us and is continuously helping us in achieving our vision for the city. Hopefully, this will become a tradition that will keep the SOCA more interesting for our constituents and our team partners more inspired. Ang 2023, kapag nila gihapon ang Phase 1 ang ating roadmap, kagitatawag na pagtanong
And preparedness in the face of disasters. Everyone, the outstanding stakeholders of the Kamaandang Catbalogan flagship. The outstanding stakeholders of the Kamaandang Catbalogan flagship are 523rd Naval Squadron Reserve.
Ang ganda po ng SOCA ni Mayor kasi ipapakita muna yung accomplishment through film na nandun lahat yung mga information about sa mga risk reduction, emergency, tourism, health, and environment, and many more. Kaya ang ganda po ng pagkakagawa nila or ang ganda ng pagkaka-present nila sa mga every department ng city.
The outstanding stakeholders of the hashtag Kalibungan Catbalogan flagship.
To present the award is Mayor Dexter M. Uy, assisted by the City Councilor, Honorable Stephanie Uy Tan.
Catbalogan flagship are Dr. Abigail M. Kabagi, SIC GLG Director, Summer State University.
bisita ang iyong pag-antos. Nasugal din kaiha. Tag-film showing kami na. Para ba lagi magpipiraw na. Ikastroy ako lang ng mga kapitan. Nasa rin ng mga kapitan. Pwede na akong muli. Pwede na kami muli. Pwede na po sa balanay. Atong pagkasadilain na short films. Palakpakan natin ang kada bansa. I dare say that Catbalogan has the most unique and creative way of showcasing our yearly accomplishments. Akong kamo kiniimbitaran magkita, i-focus natin ang iyong atensyon niya na screen para makita naman natin madaling nalinig, kalmahan talaga. Madaling na lang para lahat mga
Community-driven development. For the past year, the city has witnessed a remarkable surge in infrastructure projects. Each one a commitment to the city's dedication to improving the lives of its residents and enhancing its landscapes to new height. One of the most significant projects undertaken by the city is the construction of green pathways. These pathways enhance accessibility and improve the lives of its citizens. Stretching across the city's neighborhood and linking communities, these
speak for themselves. The city of Catbalogan will continue to level up. to build, to strive for the future, where every pathway is illuminated, every road leads to opportunity, and every community thrives. Tapos salamat kayo mga tanan. I hope to see you all again at next year's SOCA. Good night and diretso uswa. Kakbalaw.
Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Lester Apoy Catalogus City Mayor, congratulations! Let's get a big round of applause to our city mayor for all his achievements. We are receiving.
Hi guys! Subscribe to MacJid's channel.
Please subscribe to MacJid's channel.
Subscribe to MacJid's channel. Subscribe to MacJid's channel. Guys, please subscribe to MacJid's channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Nantay ko na lang. Hello guys, please subscribe to MacJid's channel. Subscribe.
MacJid's channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya, more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Bright and MacJid TV. Thank you.